Maybe Sam Sulik will see this and know that I didn't skip cardio.
There's no proof that you did cardio.
I would almost bet money that Sam Sulik, or that anybody that watches our videos, knows who Sam Sulik is. Except for Andrew Morrison. I guarantee you he knows who he is because me and him both are on trend. Anyway, he sent me a Snapchat about that yesterday, actually. Yep. I skip leg day and I skip cardio. But anyway, we're back in the garage. We're actually in the garage at home. We have new lights. We were going to do what we're doing today yesterday, but I got pissed off because we didn't have good lighting, so
he decided
to the new lights.
To put a UFO in our garage.
I didn't put one. I put 5. Technically.
It is so bright out here.
Yeah.
It is ridiculous.
But we've got a workable light now. So, today, not that we have enough to do, but we're not working on the blue truck right now, and the silver truck, I guess technically I could be working on it. I'm not. Anyway, back to the Stinger. We have the JB4, which I guess is kind of like a piggyback tuner that we're installing on the Stinger. Got it from Burger Motorsports. Just saying, the name, all like a burger. So this isn't going to be like an in-depth, like you follow me around the whole time I'm doing this. It's just going to be a quick kind of back, forth. Here's what you do. Done. Boom. It's over with. So got the box. We got the connections for the, I think, fuel injectors. These go to the taps that go on the OBD2s so that we can monitor AFR. And this is the piece that we'll actually show going in here that connects to the app that goes on your phone. And of course, obviously, that goes to the firewall to the OBD2 port. And I also have the connector that hooks up to a laptop because I'm old school with the trucks and like to hook stuff up to laptop so I can and see what I want to see. So it's very basic, looks very basic, don't know. We'll see once we get into it. So we're going to do a video with just this on the car with its intakes. It's only modifications done to it except for the mid pipes. Test it, see how it runs. We're going to do map 2 because we're only running 93 in this car. We're not mixing E30 and E what God knows, I don't know, because I'm not mixing fuel. If I can't get it out of a pump straight and not have to mix it or test it, I'm not running it. It's decent content. We'll see how it goes.
Because Austin hasn't been able to find anything about most of the stuff that he's talking about doing.
Yeah, there's not a lot of videos. Honestly, it's kind of crazy. There's some videos, obviously, how to install this, but besides that, there's really not a lot. There's not a lot of information. So, if there's anything you would like to see done to the Stinger, I love blowing money. If you want it tested, reach out to me. If you want something tested, I'll put it on there. I'll blow anything up. I really don't give a shit. It's not my daily driver. So
no, it's mine.
I just have to go buy her a new car.
Nah.
Anyway, all right, we're going to get to it. It's going to be short, kind of clippy. Do this, do that, whatever. Off we go. First step, the Allen key that comes with the piece. Take all 4 screws out so that we can install the Bluetooth adapter. The last screw. Bolt, whatever you want to call it. We'll take a gander together. Ooh. That looks expensive. I'm just kidding. Alright. We'll grommet out. Take this doohickey. And then, I haven't seen one of these since I was a kid. Just bring it out. Plug it right into there. Grab your little screwdriver. It's long, but it's skinny. I'm not either one of those. Long nor skinny. Talking about body type, jeez. Dirty mind, I swear. Something is hitting.
Okay, I know in some of the videos I watched, you're supposed to remove the cover that's on it and then put it in there. Like, remove the cover of the attachment.
This?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Scandalous.
You may have to loosen.
See, you've watched more than I have.
I don't know about all that now.
Look at you. Look at you. New information has arisen on the situation. The Babes is a better mechanic than I am. Disregard what I said about having to put that in there. I'm an idiot. Granted, I didn't see that video. Just so everybody knows, update of the video. Take that off. This is why we're making an informative video. At least I didn't take a hammer and try to smash it in.
Yeah, I would have stopped you before I allowed you to do that.
Appreciate that. Probably smart.
So it should just look like that.
Yep. Cool. This will probably fit right on there now. So we got some Velcro to mount this thing. You can use 3M tape, 3M tape, or whatever you'd like. We're gonna use this, so if we ever need to take it off for some reason, take the fuse box off and do whatever. So, does this little thingy come apart? Does it look like it's supposed to? You know what? What is that? Oh, it's glued. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, we're just running all the wires through it. So, I see where people run them over top of this. I can't do that. We're going to go through here. So now, the install on the actual car. Double-sided Velcro bullshit. Sneak her right in here. Take that bad boy. Stick it right there. Nothing rubbing, nothing touching. Everything's good.
And we did manage to run the wires through that little piece.
Yep, sure did. But you're probably gonna pull that back a little, like that, just so we can tuck them up there, like that. Sweet. You're back for another update because we're all so curious. Anyway, we've got our two connectors. We have the multicolor unicorn wiring, as you see right there. And then you have the boring Kylie wire that is just dull. Anyway.
I'm not recording for you anymore.
So, this goes down here, which I imagine this is a... You know what? I'm not even going to guess what it is. Doesn't really matter. Push down, pull out. Yes, I was trying to pick up on it. I'm an idiot. So, I'm guessing this is like a splitter, is how this works. pick the side that's got the little shark fin. Don't be stupid like me. Click. And click. There's those two right there. Then we go up here to these two guys. I'll admit, they sent a lot of wiring. I'm not sure why, but they did. And on this one, same thing. Push down until you hear the click, and then pull it out. Shark fin, snapped, engaged, and then other brown black guy plugs in at the top. You gonna click? Any click? Click would be cool. Could I get a click? Can I get a snap? What is it? What does this world hate me sometimes? Oh, I feel like the connector's trying to come out. Put this in the blooper reel. We don't have a blooper reel. Ah! Click! Gotta push up on it just a little bit at the top. Great design, Kia. It's not Kia's fault. They had nothing to do with this. They don't have a clue what we're doing. Anyway, that's it as far as the connections for that. How you want to do your wires? I have no idea, because I'll be honest, I have no clue how I'm going to do them. That kind of looks like crap right there. That's not too bad right there. I guess you could go with that. Keeps it away from the serpentine belt. All that stuff. Hook it to the throttle body. Could have ran that underneath there. We may be doing an audible here. So now we take short guy here, run it through the top of the posi tap, as so. Put it in there and screw it back on like so. We take the underside like so. Find the little red guy here on the O2 sensor. See the little white dot on top of the connector? You pull that little sheath back and hopefully not drop it like I just almost did. Put that over top like that. I'll be honest, I'm going to take that wire back out so I don't twist the shit out. Actually, you know what's in there really good, so we're just going to go for it. Like that right there. And then spin it down on there. And just like that. And that side's tapped. And where'd I put the top part of that? Oh no.
The top part of what?
The posi tap. I didn't take it out. That's where it went. It went fucking nowhere. We'll take that, stick her through the top. Stick it down in there. Stick her in the threads. Hold the bottom. And then screw it in. Boom. Posi tap done. It's that easy. Well, we got the OBD2 guy ran. We went through the grommet that is down in there. My light's still on. I don't know if you can see it down in there. There's a grommet that we have the wire going through.
Yeah.
It is up and to the left. If you look inside, see if we can take a look here. It is up underneath there. And right there. Wire's going through there. And OBD2 is right there, because Kylie's is actually broken and just kind of flops out there. But don't know why, it was like that from the factory. But got that in, so now we'll hook that back up to the OBD2 port, turn it on, and update the JB4. Everything's hooked up. We haven't seen smoke yet. We have no foot on the pedal. Turn the ignition on, hit connect. It needed an update. We updated it, and it said try connecting again. So, connect. Checking device authenticity. Connecting to device. Connecting to JB4. There we are. So now, for this one, we're going to go to settings. Going to go to advanced. Firmware. Browse firmware. We're going to find Kia Hyundai. Don't know if we need all of these. I don't know. Oh yeah, signal strength is now green. Perfect. So, because I don't, let's see. You know what? I'm just curious. Is there anything else? Kia Hyundai. I don't know if we're supposed to load all of them. Well, they support a lot of vehicles.
You can search.
Because it said, let's look and see what the ones were. Revised third gear boost reduction to function as a brake boost reduction no longer impact third gear. Value enter under. I really don't know, so we're just gonna. We're just gonna go for it. Updating. Cool. We will return when it is done. Oh my. Jeez. I barely touched it. That's insane. People, it's Hickory. We have crackheads in the center of the road. Yup, good.
He's just out there living his life. Okay?
Let's go down.
He's vibing.
Far. Sheesh. That's pretty good. I mean, it actually pulls you back.
Yeah.
Like, legitimately, that's kind of impressive.
It sounds a little bit different too.
It's more boost. You can hear it sucking in the air.
Yeah.
Dang.
I'm still feeling it go.
Yeah, you gotta drive it a little bit. That's weird. I never did that. Hell yeah. Jesus. It hits so hard. Like it comes into boost so quick now.
Yeah.
Holy shit. That's something. Break in that new exhaust.
It doesn't smell nearly as bad as it did the first 2 days.
Yeah. I'm kind of impressed by this car now. And the other one supposedly adds 30 horsepower too. So that'd be 30 more horsepower. And then we've got the intercooler.
I'm sorry, I was staring at our neighbors because I was trying to figure out
Nosy one.
what the fuck they were staring at. I do want to know what they're
minding
doing.
their own damn business.
Well, I'm not. So.
Looks like an alien spaceship landed in our garage of those new lines. Oh, yeah. First impressions, it's dope. When we get dry weather, we will do draggy comparisons. But as far as that goes, that's it.
You can't dance in here.
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Tell me I can't dance in here. I can dance anywhere. Jeez, I'm not limited. No! Your face.
I don't even think the camera was on me in that
I don't
moment.
care. That was for me, not for you. Or for them. That was barely for me. Because you weren't paying attention for shit.
This is why I don't trust you when it comes to shit like this.
Moral of the story, people, keep your woman on her toes. Words to live by from Austin.
Yeah, I wouldn't listen to him if I was you.
See you on the next one.
Mm-hmm.